Hello and welcome to DocPlexus Health Minute. The Indian SARS-CoV-2 Consortium on Genomics has identified a novel double mutant COVID-19 variant in India based on genome sequencing done on domestic samples and samples from international travelers. However, the Health Ministry has stated that the variant has not been detected in numbers sufficient to establish a direct relationship with the surge in cases in India, and further sequencing and epidemiological studies are needed to analyze the situation. A reputed drug manufacturing company has received the US FDA approval for injectable dasiglucagon to manage severe hypoglycemia in pediatric and adult diabetic patients. In the phase 3 trials, the drug provided resolution of severe hypoglycemia with a median blood glucose recovery time of 10 minutes. According to a study published in the journal Molecular Cell, researchers have found a way to decelerate the growth and spread of cancer cells and enhance immunotherapy effectiveness by targeting the enzyme KDM4A. KDM4A overexpression is associated with cancer cell replication and spread, specifically in head and neck squamous cell carcinomas. To update dental practitioners with tips and tricks about facial aesthetics such as cheek and nose enhancements, Botox, dermal fillers, and more, DocPlexus has organized an interesting webinar with Dr. Jitendra Purohit on the topic Facial Aesthetics in Dental Practice. Join this exclusive session today 3 p.m. onwards. Health Minute, the most liked segment of DocPlexus, brings you the latest happenings in the medical field. Stay tuned for more insights. Happy DocPlexing!